How to use AHA Halo. Hi everyone, welcome to the AHA Halo user guide video. This video will help you get started quickly. Let's begin with unboxing and walk through how to use AHA Halo step by step. Unboxing. First, let's unbox AHA Halo. Inside the package, you'll find the following items. AHA Halo device. USB charging cable. USB-C OTG adapter. User manual. Harmony cards. Silicone case. Lanyard. AHA Halo is a portable frequency healing device that integrates a powerful scalar energy field, providing wireless healing within a 3-foot radius. It's perfect for use anytime, anywhere, helping you relax and enhance your vitality. Device overview. Now, let's take a closer look at AHA Halo. On the front, you'll see an LCD screen that displays program information and battery status. Below the screen is the breathing light, which flashes when AHA Halo is operating. On the side, there are buttons which control various functions. At the bottom is the charging port for connecting the USB cable and reset button. Powering on and charging. To power on the device, press and hold the right button. Once powered on, you'll see the main interface. Before using AHA Halo for the first time, make sure AHA Halo is fully charged. Use the included USB cable to connect AHA Halo to a computer or a 5-volt USB power adapter. The screen will display the charging status while charging. Loading programs. Your AHA Halo comes with 30 preloaded programs designed to provide you with the best love and protection. Please visit www.ahaharmony.com to download the software and follow this video to load more programs. Connect AHA Halo to your computer, open the software and you will see 30 carefully selected programs preloaded on your device to meet most of your daily needs. You can also manually select programs from the Frequency Program Library. Then click Load to add them to your device or click Delete to remove them. Selecting and running programs. After loading the programs, disconnect AHA Halo from your computer. Press the up and down button to check all programs and press right button to run the program you want. AHA Halo will only generate scalar waves when a program is running. Place AHA Halo within 3 feet of your body, ideally as close as possible to the area you wish to treat. The program will run continuously until you manually stop it. Device management features. AHA Halo offers several convenient management features to enhance your experience and save power. For example, the screen will automatically turn off and lock after 1 minute of inactivity. If you want to manually lock the screen, simply long press the left button. This helps conserve battery life when AHA Halo is not in use. To wake the screen, just press any button. Once the screen is awake, you can press the right button briefly to unlock AHA Halo and continue using it. Breathing light feature. The breathing light on AHA Halo gently pulses only when a program is running, indicating that AHA Halo is actively emitting scalar waves and working to support your well-being. If you prefer to conserve battery or reduce distractions, you can turn the breathing light off. Simply long press the up button to toggle the light on or off. If you need to reset AHA Halo, use a straightened paper clip to press the reset hole, and AHA Halo will restore to factory settings. Thank you for watching the AHA Halo user guide video. We hope this video helps you make the most of your device. Enjoy using your AHA Halo.